from Turk Telekom. Can you please give us some comment about the game? Michael.
Great team win first of all. The other team played great. I'm sorry I can't pronounce it right. Kumava. They played very hard. You could tell they were fighting for something, and I like to see that in a team. It makes the game exciting. The fans were amazing, made for a great atmosphere, and really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed the game. Tough game. We knew it wouldn't be easy, and both teams played very well.
Okay, thank you, coach.
Now, it was an important team for both of us, I think, for tomorrow. Also, we want to secure the first place in the group. It was an important win for us. We played clever. We did good defense. Maybe our plan was to stop Kostowski, but still he scored, I think, 18 points. And it's important for us. We have big chance now to go for the second stage.
Okay, thank you. Does anyone have any questions?